This may be the best video that you watch this week. You might want to watch it twice. You might want to slow this down a little bit because I am going to show you two things. One, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with Black Panther 2 and the Black Panther 2 trailer. We're going to talk about like 5 different ways that you can make money. And if you take a step back and look at the larger picture, you're going to see that there are new opportunities that are popping up every single day. Hello, my name's Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and if this is the first time that you're seeing me, welcome to the channel. I create content to teach you different ways to make money online. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So last night, sometime yesterday on Sunday, there was the Black Panther 2 trailer that was released. That Black Panther 2 trailer has gotten millions of views. It has invoked tons of emotion. There are people on TikTok crying. There are people over on YouTube crying. Anywhere that there is traffic, people are crying about the new Black Panther 2 trailer. So what we're going to do in this video, I'm going to show you a tiny channel that has gotten thousands, tens of thousands, almost hundreds of thousands of views with the Black Panther trailer. We're going to talk about how you can monetize Black Panther 2, and we're going to talk about a bigger picture. If you understand this about marketing, getting in front of eyeballs, you can make a lot of money. So let's go ahead and take a look. So the first thing that I want to show you, if you look at my screen here, is I typed in Black Panther 2 trailer. Now, mind you, I didn't even know about this Black Panther 2 trailer until this morning when I was watching CNN. If we take a look here, this video was uploaded on July 24th. It has over 146,000 views. Now, what's most important is that the Creative Eye YouTube channel has 3,500 subscribers. So a teeny tiny channel has hundreds of thousands of views. So if that doesn't excite you about the potential to make money, I really don't know what will. But what we want to do here is let's take a look at some of the different opportunities that are out there. What I did when I learned about the Black Panther 2 trailer is I came over to YouTube and I typed in Black Panther 2 trailer. But me, like millions of other people, so we'll go to we'll spell Black Panther 2 correctly. But if we look here, Black Panther 2 trailer, I hit the space bar and you can see people are asking all sorts of questions about it. They want to know about the official trailer. They want to know trailer marvel, leak, reaction. That's a huge one. And the space breakdown. So people are breaking down the actual trailer. They're looking for Easter eggs. They're looking for 4K Comic-Con explain. And so what you'd want to do is you simply want to create content about Black Panther 2 and the Black Panther 2 trailer. You can talk about first impressions. You can slow it down to half a speed and make speculation and get in front of hundreds of thousands of people. So there are tons of opportunities that you can take advantage of. Look at this one, for example. Black Panther 2 trailer explained is a brand new channel that could be a good opportunity to build an audience. Now stay with me because we're going to talk about the larger picture. As a marketer, as a person looking for opportunities to make money, there are tons of these opportunities that pop up literally every single day or at least weekly. As you can see, channels of all sizes are taking advantage of this opportunity. They are just talking about the Black Panther. And what will happen is if you create content over on YouTube, for example, you'll show up in the recommendation. So you're going to want to have an engaging thumbnail. You're going to want to create the type of hook and title that is going to force them to click on your content. You can also do this over on TikTok. TikTok might be a little bit easier because what will happen is people that have looked up or watched videos on the Black Panther 2 will actually get will have more content fed to them with regards to Black Panther 2. So if you make content with regards to Black Panther 2 on TikTok, that's going to be your opportunity. So as you can see here, there are tons of opportunities. Now I just want to show you something over on Google Trends, and we're going to talk about all the different ways that you can make money. So if we come over here, this website's called trends.google.com, and I'm going to go over to trending searches. So I'm going to click on the hamburger menu on the left-hand side, go to trending searches, and if we scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that Black Panther 2 has over 1 million search results within the last 24 hours. That is going to be an opportunity for you to make money. So we clicked on trending searches here. So as you can see here, if I scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see that Black Panther 2 came up as something that was incredibly important to a wide variety of people. We keep scrolling here. It looks like Black Panther 2 actually came out Sunday. That trailer came out on Saturday, but it's still very popular. Again, people like me didn't even realize that that came out until this morning at about 4:45 a.m. So now that we see that there is tons of traffic, there are tons of people that are searching for and want to learn more about the Black Panther 2 trailer, let's take a look at some different ways that you can make money. One of the best ways that you can make money is with the YouTube Partner Program, or if you want to create a blog, you can make money blogging. And with the YouTube Partner Program, you just need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I showed you that channel that had 3,000 subscribers and they had hundreds of thousands of views on their channel. So if you're creating content about trending topics, that's going to be an opportunity for you to go viral. That's going to be an opportunity for you to achieve that subscriber and watch time rank in a short amount of time. But you don't have to wait until the YouTube Partner Program to start making money. One way that you can make money, and this is going to be more applicable to TikTok and anywhere else, is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, if we look on my screen here, I just typed in superhero affiliate programs, and this one popped up: Marvel and DC Comics clothing and merchandise. Now, think about the type of people that would be interested in this type of content, or this type of merchandise. People that might be interested in going to the movie as Black Panther or other characters. Other people that might be interested is people that like to dress up for cosplay. I believe Comic-Con just happened a few days ago down in San Diego. People that are going to be Black Panthers for Halloween. Kids that want to dress up for Black Panther and Halloween. These are going to be opportunities that you can take advantage of. This website, for example, Superhero Gears, will pay a 10% commission and I believe a 14-day window. But look at this. They have all sorts of stuff for Marvel, so there's no doubt that they're going to have stuff for Black Panther as well. They have stuff for women, for men, lots of opportunity. But that's just one. Another one that I looked at is I just typed in superhero affiliate program once again, and this website here, One More Cup of Coffee, has actually put together a list of 10 superhero affiliate programs. Now, the cool thing with affiliate marketing is you can apply to all of these different affiliate programs, and then you can post these links on your YouTube channel, or I recommend starting a website so that you have more opportunities. You can do this with TikTok as well. But if we scroll through, you're going to see that there are tons of these different websites out here. Halloween costumes, for example, Costume Kingdom, DC Entertainment. As I mentioned, one of the best opportunities is going to be people that like to dress up for cosplay or costume play, as the old folks would call it. Also for Halloween, people going to the movie theater dressed up as different characters. So there is going to be lots of opportunity there. There's also another affiliate program called Fandango. Now, Fandango actually sells movie tickets. The commission for this isn't great, so you're going to need a high volume for Fandango, but if you get people to click on your link and buy, you can make money. If we look at this, I believe they pay something like 10 cents for any purchases. Again, it's not great, but if you get in front of hundreds of thousands of people and 20,000, 30,000 people click on your affiliate link and purchase movie tickets, that's still going to be a decent amount of money. Of course, we can always fall back over to Amazon. I typed in Black Panther over on Amazon. Again, there were lots of opportunities here. You can see shop Black Panther digital and smartwatches for kids, all sorts of stuff that you could promote and potentially make money. So now that we have looked at the Black Panther trailer and talked about different ways that you can make money with it, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture is, as a marketer, you want to get in front of where people are hanging out and where people want to learn about and have fun and engage with. As we see here, millions of people engage with Black Panther in just a short amount of time. If you want to be successful online, you simply need to connect solutions to problems. You simply need to solve problems. And in this instance, with the Black Panther trailer, and you're giving your reaction, you're talking about the Black Panther trailer, you are solving a problem and you can monetize that. So one thing that you want to make sure that you always think about is what's new, what's trending, what's something that's going to have staying power in the short and long-term future. For example, with Black Panther, this trailer came out yesterday or 2 days ago, but the movie doesn't come out until November. And so between now and November, we're going to see more trailers. We're going to see more teases. We're going to see more stuff being talked about with regard to this new movie. And that would be an opportunity to continuously create content. And so again, if we take a step back and we think about it as a marketer, we know that new things are popping up all the time. And when new things are popping up, there's not going to be as much competition. So if you are looking to get started in something, you want to get place a foothold in something that you think might not be so competitive, or if you think that making money online is just too competitive, Black Panther 2 wasn't around or wasn't as important 4 days ago. There will be something brand new that comes out that people will be talking about. The new iPhone will be coming out soon, of course, and that will be an opportunity for you to get a foothold in a place where there was nothing last week or last month or last year. So as a marketer, what you want to ask yourself is what's new, what's trending, And where are the eyeballs? That's the biggest question you can ask yourself. Where are the eyeballs? What can I do to get in front of those eyeballs and turn those eyeballs into dollars? Now that you know how you can take advantage of Black Panther 2 to make money online, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.